how to turn off or on mini apps notifications on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and then click Hub. Now go to the story lines here, go to settings, then go to notifications, scroll down until you find here this one, mini apps. Then you can turn it off or on, and I hope that can help you because it's easy. Now just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.